Okay, y'all. We driving home. What is May doing the most right now with her situation? Her situation. How y'all doing though? Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. What do I talk about? What's going on? Actually, first and foremost, for this week's vlog, I want to say thank y'all for 3,000 subscribers. We did it. We reached the next point, the next beautiful point on this journey. I also want to say I've appreciated all of the comments on that last video I did, or the video I posted a week ago about what I'm gonna do with my hair. I've gotten lots of support, whether that is saying that I should comb out my locks or saying I should keep them, but for the most part it's all been like great, like good, like just like, you know, keep the locks, do what you want to do. One person was saying your hair looks good curly anyway, so I think it'll look good when you comb it all out, which, you know, got me excited. Another person was saying, you know, it's your hair, do what you want to do. Another person was like, just comb them out, you can always put them back into locks later, which is also true. I just need to figure out what I want to do with my locks. But I think I'm trying to get into that decision really firmly and really sit in it, you know, and settle into it. I think also what is hard is the word? Yeah, we'll say hard. Is that I'm trying to like okay, so yesterday I went to the pool with Tom Fung and Trung, and it was nice. Went to the pool, did a little swim. That was after laundry was done, which is nice. By the way, have y'all listened to that song Finesse by Bruno Mars? Go listen to that off his new 24K Magic album and just revel in that for a second. It's a really nice track. It's got a lot of like a Bill Biv DeVoe New Edition vibe, which I really like, because those are really good bands, really good artists. People need to be more patient on this road today, Lord. But what was I getting back to? Oh, the pool, yes. So we got at the pool, got some chlorine in my hair, so I had to wash it. Just rinse out my locks really quick, and then dry it with a blow dry over there. And it wasn't until I was driving back that I was just like, the feeling that I have right now with my hair being all long, this is something that is not going to be present in my life if I am to comb out my hair, comb out my locks. And so it got me thinking, like, do I really want to do it? And I'm just like, you know, I think that's just the fear part and the uncertainty part. But at the same time, I might be losing a little bit of hair with all the shedding hair, but I'm not like losing any hair. I guess my hair is going to change, obviously, because I haven't had my hair grow out for almost 5 years and have it as it grows naturally out of my head, and just, you know, it's curly afroness. But I also know that because my hair is gonna be natural, it won't just hang down like how my locks hang down, because my locks have that weight, which is why it hangs down the way it does. So that's also going to be something I'll be missing. So I just want to say again, thank you guys for the support in this decision and in this process of still trying to even wrap my head around what I am telling myself I think I'm going to do. And and another reason that I'm having second thoughts, I'm glad that y'all are being patient with me as I go through this process and this journey, because that's what every day is. That's what this entire thing is. That's what this entire channel is about, is the journey of having locks. And I think more so now I'm just getting into a more conversational tone with you all, because I feel like that's the thing that I don't know why I stumbled upon this revelation, but it is social media, right? And YouTube is just another extension of social media. So it's a place where you're supposed to be social. Like, yeah, people make videos and stuff and they'll like respond to comments, but I really want these videos to be a conversation and not so much a just a tutorial, just something you watch and you like leave. Like I want it to really be like an open conversation with you all. But anyway, so there's that. And then back to what the other thing that happened is that for those who be watching my vlogs, or no, I would say even watching my Snapchat stories about me working at this bar, XY bar, is that one of the things that I realized also is that I like the look that I have when I wear my locks like in a messy bun with a fitted cap. Like the way, or if you check out my Instagram, the last few like posts with the hat, I really like how I look. It's a very masculine look, but I just think, first I'm thinking I won't be able to do that with if I color my locks. But then at the same time, I can't just do low ponytail with my poof and do something with my hair like that and then also wear the hat. So I'm just like, I'll have instances where I think I won't like what my hair is gonna look like, but at the same time, I will. It'll just be looking different. So yeah, there's that. Okay, well, I'm just gonna stop talking because that's all I wanted to say, and we'll see what I talk about tomorrow. Okay, all right. Y'all wanna know how my day, I'm putting up the windows because I feel like people be judging me when I'm vlogging. Y'all wanna know how my day turned around? Rehearsal today was, I had great self-control in terms of my emotions because things were not going well, and instead of getting angry and mad and okay, we're gonna do this then, and frustrated that I couldn't control what was going on, I simply can remember. You know what? If y'all have not checked out Lily Singh's book on how to be a boss, check the book out and read it. I've only read the first part of it, but just the information I picked up from that first part, I have been subconsciously and like been applying it to my life, and it has been helping. It has been turning some things around. It has been changing my perspective. Ooh, people need to learn how to drive. It has been changing my perspective on how I interact with people and how good and bad interactions, how just life works. But anyway, rehearsal was not good. I didn't get mad. No one is knowing how to drive today. What is that? What do people smoke? This person literally swerved into the left turn lane and then swerved back into the right turn lane, only to then swerve back into the original left lane they had to swerve themselves into in the first place. Like, people need to, oh my goodness. People need to pay attention when they're driving. I just don't understand. As I'm vlogging over here. Okay, never mind. But my day has turned around because my mama texts me, Mama, Hall, Terry. Oh Lord, an accident happened. What is going on? There's too much going on right now on the highways and the roads. My mom texts me talking about, I fried some shrimp today. I ain't got no bread, but if you come down here, pick you up a loaf of bread so you can make a po' boy. So I'm about to go to Derby and pick me up some French bread, and we're about to make a shrimp po' boy. And for y'all who know this, the real deal is the real deal. For one, my family's from New Orleans, Louisiana, so there's that. Bam. Two, we are food not hoarders, but whenever we go down to New Orleans, or my mom especially goes down there, she will buy up a lot of fresh seafood and then bring it up and freeze it, or freeze it and bring it up in a cooler or whatever, because we can't just get Louisiana Gulf shrimp up here in Kansas. You can't buy that. We do have one seafood shop, and you can get Texas shrimp, and it's pretty close. It tastes pretty close, but it's not. It ain't got the same taste. Louisiana Gulf shrimp has a sweetness to it. You can taste the water in it, if you know what I mean. Not literally the water, but it's just so fresh. You can taste the water in it. And so she fried some shrimp. So we about to go home. We about to go eat. We about to grub. I might make 2 shrimp po' boys. I'm not sure. I'm really glad I had a really small dinner, because if I would have ate more, I would have been like, I ain't hungry. You're always hungry for home cooked. You can always eat if your mama cooked. That's something I've learned in life. For real. It don't matter. It don't matter. You can always eat. I'm like Antoine Fisher. I could eat. So we about to go eat now. Y'all, oh shiitake. Red light. Y'all know how my mama the best mama in the whole world of mamas? I mean, I'm sure y'all mamas are great. I'm sure y'all parents are cool. Y'all guardians, whoever you be staying with, chilling with, whoever you kin to, whoever you belong to. I'm gonna say it like that. Whoever your tribe be. I'm sure they great. But my mama though, she just texted me talking about, I'm gonna wait for you to get here so I can until I fry them. I'm gonna wait until you get here to fry them so they can be hot. My mama said she gonna wait to fry the damn shrimp so they can be hot when I get there. Y'all, I'm having me some hot motherfucker. I'm so excited. Y'all don't even understand. This is what love looks like. Thank you, Mama. You cannot tell me that the people at Popeyes do not love me, okay? You can't say that. There is no amount of evidentiary support that you could provide to prove your case. That's all I'm gonna say. Because, okay, so I went through the drive-thru, right? I pull up to the thing. She says, order when you're ready, handsome. Because it was Charlie. She see me drove in. So she said, I saw it was you, so I know exactly who it was at the window, right? Or at the little speaker box. I tell her what I want. I just said I want the popcorn shrimp with some fries. They said, that complete your order? I said, sure do. They say, $3.21. I'm thinking, okay. Then, after that, I pull up to the window, right? I asked for no damn iced tea. No sweet tea. They gave me a sweet tea. I look in the bag. They got an apple pie in them. Y'all can't tell me that my Popeyes is better than your Popeyes. When you know the management and when you know the people that work there, not even just knowing folk, but when you good to the people, when you good to people in the service industry, it comes back to you. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. When you are this, and I learned this since I've been alive. Like when I was in high school, you always be nice to the people in the cafeteria. You be always nice to the janitors. You always be nice to people that are in those types of positions where they're like either cleaning up after you or food service, any type of service industry like that, custodial work. Always be nice to those people. Even in college, what was it? Big Al, the custodian. He actually retired the year that I did my senior recital. But he was really cool, and the janitors would always be there from like maybe 5 p.m. to like midnight or 4 p.m. to midnight to clean up everyone, and we'd always be there late practicing. But like once you start to have conversations with let me turn on my call. When you be having conversations with the people and you be talking to the people, you get to know their story, you get to hear about their life, and you get to see what you guys have in common and learn about their favorite football team and stuff like that, or see how they doing, or it's just don't get caught up in life so much that you forget to enjoy it. Don't forget to have just conversations with people. Don't forget to know the people that you interact with every day. Unless you like me working a job where you don't like the people, so maybe you don't want to hear about their ass. But everyone else, just, a hello and a hi can go a long way. It can turn into a full conversation. Or in this case, a free sweet tea and a free apple pie and a discounted meal from Popeyes. That's your Wednesday lesson, okay? That's what I'm imparting to you, y'all, okay? Treat the service people better. Treat people with respect. Be nice to people. Be decent human beings, especially in this day and age. We got a lot of crazy, just ish going on, okay? So let's try to be a little bit more light in this darkness, okay? Be the light, y'all. Be the light. So I forgot to use an end title sequence for this vlog, but anyway, here it is. If you want to watch last week's video, click right there. Last playlist of shit. And click on that little subscribe icon for more content. All right, y'all. I will see y'all when I see y'all. Peace and keep it locked.